Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Okay, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is still fresh in our minds, but the rumor mill is already buzzing with exciting leaks and predictions about its successor, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. While official details are scarce, let's dive into the current speculation regarding its release date, price, and key specifications. Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy S series flagships in early January, with a release shortly after in February. If this pattern holds, we can expect the Galaxy S26 Ultra to be announced sometime in late January or early February 2026. However, several sources suggest a potential launch date of January 17, 2026. Samsung could deviate from this schedule, so stay tuned for official announcements. As a premium flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, various sources suggest a starting price ranging from $1,189 in other markets. The exact pricing will depend on the region, storage configuration, 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB, and any regional variations. Expect the price to be comparable to or slightly higher than its predecessor, reflecting the advanced technology and features. The rumored specifications paint a picture of a significant upgrade. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, built on a 3nm process. This should deliver a noticeable performance boost compared to its predecessor. RAM is expected to remain at 12 GB, although some leaks suggest a possible 16 GB. Storage options will likely include 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. The battery capacity is rumored to be around 5,000 mAh, with fast charging capabilities of 45W wired and 15W wireless. The camera system is a major talking point. While the exact configuration is still uncertain, leaks suggest a significant upgrade. A 200MP main sensor is almost certain, potentially paired with a 50mm ultra-wide lens and a 50MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Some sources even mention a 200MP 4x zoom camera, replacing the traditional 3x and 10x telephoto lenses. This would represent a significant leap in camera technology, potentially offering unparalleled zoom capabilities and image clarity. The front-facing camera is expected to be a 12MP sensor. The display is expected to be a 6.8-inch or 9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Expect improvements in brightness and color accuracy. The design is likely to be an evolution of the S25 Ultra's design, with possibly subtle refinements to the bezels and overall dimensions. The S Pen is expected to remain a key feature integrated directly into the device. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerful and innovative flagship smartphone. While we await official confirmation from Samsung, the leaks and rumors suggest a device that will push the boundaries of mobile technology. What are your expectations for the S26 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. Without being said, I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.